Hey everybody, good morning. I'm with my favorite tool today, and we're going to be making bird feeders because I don't know if anyone knows this, but March is when all the migratory birds start coming back up north, and they're hungry and there's no food, well, very little food for them to forage. So we're going to be making bird feeders to help out the birds. So what we're going to do is we're going to just take a stick, a branch, and just chop it off on both ends, drill a really big hole in there, and then we're going to take this and put little holes in there. Now we're going to do that on all sides. So when you're done, you're going to have little holes, and these are great for the woodpeckers to get in there. And then the regular birds will get in there too. And then we're going to mix some bird seed with some organic peanut butter because you don't want to give the birds any fungicides or pesticides. Done, you just drill a screw in there, get some wire, and it'll hang up on a fence or a tree or anywhere you want to put your birdhouse, your bird feeder, sorry. And then we'll just take the hook and hook it on a nail. And there you have it. Food for the birds. This is a beautiful bird feeder. I don't know what else to say. I think I already said that about the birds migrating in at the beginning. I don't know what else to say. Also, another thing we can do is get all your bird feeders that are broken, and we have to start repairing these things. As you can see, we have to repair them. So the birds have a home to start their new litter with the eggs this spring.